Yeah, I always love seeing this area. And that was from Songkran over there. But here you go. This is Cicada. You also usually have a girl that's dancing, but she's not here today. There's usually a girl that dances over there. But there's this little boy here that is a transformer. Watch your step here, guys. But yeah, he is a transformer. And I'm just gonna show you guys what you can see right now. All of this is food in here, okay? The artist section is along that side. Big, big paintings like that you would put in your house, okay? This is the food area. It's pretty much this whole section here in the middle, from over here all the way to over there. This is one of the stages where they do magic. The other stage is where they have the music we like to listen to. It looks like the magician is either, well, probably about to start. Again, food. And then around the outside you have the flea market over here. And then around the outside is when you have all your souvenirs and everything like that you can get. It is a coupon place though, so you go to the coupon box, you give them money, they give you the coupons, you use those coupons to then purchase other things, okay? Not everywhere takes the coupons, but most of them it's going to be the coupons, okay? But don't worry, if you don't spend it, you take it back, you get your money back, okay? So yeah, flea market around the outside, got a bunch of souvenirs. All the food and seating area is here in the middle. Alright guys, now we're taking you to the pineapple. See if our teacher is there today. She was here the last few times. I guess it's like her sister-in-law's place or something. So she comes and helps out here. I don't think it's her today. Oh, yeah it is. Yeah it is. I see her hair. It is our teacher. This is the pineapple place. It's like around the souvenirs where the shirts and stuff are, and everything is pineapple. Pineapple crackers, pineapple cookies. You can get pineapples, you can get pineapple juice, you can get pineapple jam, pineapple, everything. Everything. Pineapple. I was seeing if she would notice it was us, but I was waiting. Here you go. Pineapple pie. Pineapple cake. That's the one Wilson likes the most. Dried pineapple, pineapple biscuits, and cheese. One's with cheese crackers. It's very interesting. So if you ever come here, you have to make sure that you get these because they're delicious. Alright, 285 baht. Okay, so like $9 or so. We got the butter pineapple cake, was so good. And then the pineapple rolls that he likes the most. They stopped selling the butter cookie ones, but she said when they come back, she'll let me know. But yeah, we like it with the coffee, so.
Yeah. So I drink mine with black coffee, and it's like, since it's sweet, it kind of helps.
Yeah, with the black coffee.
Just had this is really good.
Really good.
It's probably like a lunch, dinner, dessert.
Yeah.
Check out this place if you're in Hua Hin.
Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, the pineapple. You will just see all the pineapples, okay? And then this is where we go to enjoy the music, you guys. Is with this guy. It's the same guy as last time. And then usually he just gets a beer and we just hang out here for 10-15 minutes, enjoy our time, and then we head home. So, a lot of people here today. But last time we did get here before 7. So, we're here later than we usually are, but they have plenty of seating. That's not a concern, so. But it's very nice to sit out here and enjoy it. And again, here's some souvenirs and stuff. So, there you go. They got a Coke.
Oh, it's cold too.
A little Coke. Nice and cold, he said. But yeah, so you can get your drinks and stuff. They also have wine and your mixed drinks and cocktails too, and your straight liquor. You don't have to only get a soda or beer, but here we are. Going to enjoy the music.
I will say though, is it recording?
Yeah.
Some of these stalls are a little pricey though, like
Yeah,
not this much, but
that's why I said like Cicada's a little more touristy, so you're going to pay higher prices. That's why we eat at Tamarind and then we come here to enjoy or to shop or to get the pineapple stuff, but we don't really eat here. So. They also have a bathroom here, straight ahead. You come in here, and then here's the bathroom right next to the stage. See, here's more souvenirs, hats and clothes and things. A lot of souvenirs, a lot of art. Gonna walk through this food area to get back out. But that pretty much concludes our night here. If you did not watch the video about Tamarind, then make sure you go back and watch the video about Tamarind. Look at all the food we eat there before coming over here. Like I said, there's food here. It's just, we just don't eat here. It's just a better price at Tamarind. But if you don't want to go to both, then just come here, get your food here, and then hang out. But if you're fine going to both, because you guys saw it was like a 30-second walk. There's some chicken and stuff, so. But like I said, that concludes our night. We're heading back to the pickup spot, just basically right in front of Cicada. That's where they will pick you up and drop you off, okay? And this is like I said, what they put up for Songkran. And it's just stayed, I guess. It's kind of how things work here. There's still Christmas stuff up, and it's May, guys. So that concludes our night at Tamarind and Cicada.
oh yeah, good night, great night. See you guys on the next video.